We are Toro's Pro Bono Scholars, and we are making a difference in the lives of Long Islanders.
In disaster recovery.
In the rights of children.
As a federal defender.
In landlord-tenant court.
In the rights of the disabled.
In helping the wrongly convicted.
Thank you, Judge Lippman.
I've always been interested in LGBT issues, so when I arrived at Columbia Law School, I signed up for the Name Change Project. The project is supervised by Sullivan and Cromwell, and I was trained by attorneys at the Transgender Legal Defense and Education Fund. After my training, I was encouraged to walk my client through the application process. And a few weeks later, when we got to go to court, I stood beside her as she learned her application for a name change had been approved. For her, it was the end of a long but fulfilling process. The look on her face when she learned her name change was final is something I would never forget. I was very fortunate to have this type of experience as a 1L because it really taught me the importance of serving people who wouldn't otherwise have the opportunity to get legal counsel. And I made a big impact on my client's life. Going forward, pro bono will definitely be a part of my legal career.
Hi, I'm Ann Cammett, and this is the inaugural class of CUNY Law School's Pro Bono Scholars.
My name is Joseph Schofield. Thanks to the Pro Bono Scholars Program, we have an opportunity to apply what we've been learning in the classroom directly out in the community. CUNY's already trained us to be public interest attorneys, but the PBS program has enabled us to serve full-time.
My name's John Paul Guyette, and thanks to the program, I've gotten to fight on behalf of 25 Nepali workers in Woodside, Queens to secure unpaid wages.
Hi, my name is Filippo Savio, and 3 weeks after I took the bar exam, I was able to help fight displacement in Upper Manhattan.
My name is Michael Connors, and this morning I got a client who is elderly and disabled a stabilized lease.
Hi, my name is Sharon Miodowski, and I drafted and filed an order to show cause, staying a client's eviction in Crown Heights, Brooklyn.
Now that the 5 of us have all passed the bar, we're going to be transitioning seamlessly into careers of public service. So we'd like to thank Judge Lippman for this amazing opportunity.
My name is Susan Papakostas, and I was honored to be selected to participate in the Pro Bono Scholars Program this year, and thrilled to be placed at Legal Services of the Hudson Valley in their domestic violence unit. I just have been enormously impressed with the commitment and excellence of the attorneys that work there and their consistently client-centered focus all day, every day. And the program has just allowed me to have the honor to work with these people, but also to reinforce the enormity of the need that's being met there on a daily basis.
I'd like to congratulate Chief Judge Lippman on a successful rollout of the Pro Bono Scholars Program. It's been beneficial to me, to my placement, and to my clients.
Just having the day-to-day interactions with clients, seeing the needs that still exist in lower income communities in terms of housing and the discriminations they face with unemployment, immigrant communities, that has truly reinforced my passion for public sector work.
That is really the reason why I want to do public interest work, is to be able to see that look on their face of someone really wanted to advocate for me and someone put a lot of hard work and effort into something that was for my benefit. And I think that I got that experience a lot from being a pro bono scholar.
I've been able to get out of the classroom and gain real legal experience. I've been able to lighten the workload of the staff attorneys at my placement, and I've been able to obtain beneficial dispositions for my clients. They've been both welcoming and appreciative of the services, and once again I'd like to thank you and enjoy your retirement.
There was no better feeling than when the translator told him you were approved and that he had status. He was 17 years old. He had a really hard life. He came from Guatemala. I mean, that was just honestly the best feeling I've ever had. And that was why I wanted to stay with the clinic, and a large part of why I want to be in public interest work.
He called me, he came to me saying that he had cancer and he had a certain number of days left with us, and he was nervous about the debts he had, what he was going to leave his family with, what burdens he was going to leave his family with, and we were able to set up his estate such that his family would not be left with any debts, any burdens, and he was so happy. And he was in such an unfortunate place in his life. I felt really bad for him, but to see him so happy and so pleased with the work that our students and our attorneys were able to do for him, it was really very rewarding.